Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, Shmanpreet. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. All right, so we are waiting for more people to join.
Ma'am, you can start. I will share the recording with them.
Okay, okay. All right. So very good morning, everyone.
Good morning,
Thank you.
ma'am.
Good morning,
Yeah,
ma'am.
thank you.
Good morning.
Yeah,
Good morning, miss.
very good morning. So thank you so much for joining in for this call today. This is an internship opportunity where we are looking at people who have some experience of doing graphic designing. And the requirements are basically, since we are a market research organization, we undertake different research projects, and for our proposals, etc., we need to have them nice corporate global look and feel, and therefore would need your help in maximizing the look and feel of the deck. So similar such decks I have shared with you. One is a template, one is a deck to give you an idea that this is the kind of output that we are talking about. The first PPT that I had shared for this call of 2-3 minutes on the lines of the one that I had shared earlier. Okay, so I wanted to check with you guys as to who all have the capability, who all have done some similar work in the past and can take this up and do and showcase something, right? Because and plus the time that we have to turn this around is not too much. I mean, I have time only till about tomorrow, end of day, to sort of do whatever changes one can do in the look and feel aspect, of the PPT. So whatever graphics, designs, etc., you guys can add, make changes, etc. But today, tomorrow is the time that we have for it. And since you guys are working first time, so we will need to be quickly and closely connected. I mean, I'll first need to see a first draft quickly from you all for me to understand whether you are getting what I intend, to achieve or not. And basis that and your verbal commitment as to whether you can do it, not do it, we can take this up, because my deliverable is scheduled for tomorrow. Okay, and we keep doing this regularly. So there are multiple things in pipeline. Also, there are 3 presentations which will be going on tomorrow. And then there will be many more which will follow. So we'll first work on these 3 and see where we stand in terms of what we expect and what we have at hand. Okay, let me share my screen and show it to you guys as to what I am talking about. One second, let's just open this first. Okay, so this is what I have shared with you guys. So it's basically, we are currently doing a study to understand, we are doing a baseline study to understand where India is with respect to the utilization of bio seed treatment. So the is a very, very important and vital steps in agriculture. And since we understand that we are the second most, production wise, second most largest contributor of, agriculture sector. So obviously seed treatment for our economy and our country is very important. However, all of this seed treatment has been happening through other means, chemical treatments mostly has been happening up till now on account of cheaply available chemicals as compared to any other alternatives. So, but now there has been a lot of boost from the government, there has been initiatives, etc. And we are moving and progressing from, chemical to biological seed treatment. And that is what is the main objective of this research, where we are trying to do a baseline and trying to understand where, for what type of crops and in which all states where we are in terms of biological seed treatment. As of now, what are the practices that are being, adopted, and whether biological has any space in, these or not. And if at all, then how much of biological is being used and how much of synthetic still being used, right? So that is the whole objective. So that's basic outline. Now obviously, this is uh, a way my slide should look. I mean, this is the kind of look and feel, so or it could be better also. I mean, if you have something better than this, then we can consider that too. But this was shared by the client to us, that they want the presentation to look something like this. Okay, so this is one. Then this something like this. So some of the graphics, with some little content, not too much of content, but just some pictorial presentation is what is expected. This kind of image and this kind of presentation of the facts. This is the kind of output that we are talking about and that we would want to have. This is what it is. So this is what is the desired, and I'll just show you what we have, as of now. I think I've shared that also. So I'll just share that. Right. So now we have something like this, and we need to add graphics which are relevant. This is the title slide. Then these are the rest of the slides. Yeah. That needs, all of this needs to be modified and made into something like the one that I have shown you. Okay. These are section breaks that we'll be putting in between. I mean, all the section breaks have been put in at one place, and these are some of the data that we have. Okay, so this is what it is, and this needs to be modified to look nice, very nice. So can any of you guys done anything similar in the past? Can I hear from you guys about this now? I have explained my requirement. I would now want to know from you guys as to who thinks can turn it around.
मैम मैंने ऐसा पहले प्रेजेंटेशन में किया हुआ है, मतलब उनके लिए ग्राफिक्स क्रिएट किए थे मैंने भी।
ओके, आप नियति बात कर रहे हो?
जी जी जी।
अच्छा, हाँ नियति, मैंने आपको दोनों रिक्वायरमेंट दिखाई। एक तो मैंने आपको सैंपल पहले दिखाया कि मुझे इस तरीके से अपना जो दूसरा मैंने आपको दिखाया उसको डिजाइन करवाना है।
जी जी जी।
What do you think? You can do, you can make changes, can make it look more. अभी मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे color schemes थोड़े
एग्जैक्टली कलर स्कीम, मुझे भी एग्जैक्टली कलर स्कीम सबसे पहले लगा था।
हाँ, मतलब वो मैच नहीं कर रहे हैं, कहीं कुछ है कहीं कुछ है। फॉन्ट साइजेस भी काफी बड़े हैं, कहीं इमेजेस बहुत बड़े हैं, तो वो
आप
सारी
मेरे को मैम आप मेरे को पीडीएफ सेंड करेंगे या फिर प्रेजेंटेशन सेंड करेंगे टू एडिट?
पीपीटी सेंड करेंगे, पीपीटी
ओके
सेंड।
ओके, आई कैन डू इट।
तो हाँ, तो that is what I would want. I would want all of you all to do, work on each of these slides and, make it whatever best you guys can. तो कौन I would want to know who you think they can do it.
Ma'am,
Near
even I can.
Deepti. Deepti, आप भी you can also do.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you understood the requirement? I hope you guys have understood. तो आप लोग
Yes,
ना
ma'am.
say you can take pictures, you can take whatever is required to make this beautiful. Okay, and you can try and make this really nice and should look like all of this is one thing. It should, as of now it is looking very disjointed, etc etc. So I would want you all to work on it. कितना टाइम लगेगा आप लोगों को? दीप्ति, नियति, आप लोग कितना टाइम लगाओगे इसको ठीक करके भेजने में?
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
will submit it by 13th morning or tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Tomorrow
Can I
evening,
get,
sorry.
yeah, can I get this by today evening, end of day?
Ma'am, 12 till 12.
12 night?
Yeah, ma'am.
नो प्रॉब्लम। हाँ, एंड ऑफ नाइट तक कभी भी दे दो ताकि आई हैव दैट रेडी विथ मी। अगर कुछ स्लाइड्स बचेंगे तो कल भी हम कर सकते हैं, दैट्स ऑल्सो ओके। ठीक है, बट क्या होता है ना, आप कुछ भेजोगे करके और मुझे भी वो समझ आना चाहिए, राइट? सो दैट शुड हैपन क्विकली। सो मे बी व्हाट यू डू इज यू स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन दिस एंड देन keep sharing with me so that I can guide you whether I'm liking it or whether I would want some changes, etc. or not. Okay, let's work closely because we have
Mhm.
tomorrow deadline. So let's
Okay.
work closely so that we can with wasting time work in the right direction. ठीक है? और अगर तो मतलब all those who are interested and who think they can do, they can work on 1 or 2 slides, pick up 1-2 slides which you think you can do the best, do that and send it to me, all of you. Then depending upon who all are reverting and who all have that kind of time, because tomorrow is my deadline to submit this entire presentation, right? And plus we had 2 more presentation also which will need to go in later. It had to go tomorrow, but if we cannot do it tomorrow, then we'll probably ask for a day more or so and then do the others also. But so all of you all spend next one hour, whatever time, and send me at least 2 slides, that you could modify, that you could make, beautiful, right? Basis the template. That please keep in mind the template that I have shared with you. I mean, not the template, the desired kind that I have shared with you. So try and convert this existing into that look and feel. Okay, and share it with me, and then if I like the work, then I'll let you know in your thing and share it by end of day, right? So we can do it that way. Anyone else apart from Deepti and Niyati who think can do it?
हाँ जी मैम।
Yes, ma'am, I will try and I will give you. Okay.
Right. So Sarthak, everyone, all of you who are there on the call, please give it a shot. Okay. So pick up, 2 interesting slides which you think you can, add multiple colors, multiple designs, and make it more look professional. It should look very professional. It's a research which has been done for a global player. So try and have a look at some global presentations and see what kind of color scheme they use, and what is should not be too large, the picture should not be too large, all that, that needs to be worked out. Okay, the alignment, etc.
Okay, ma'am.
Work that out and share. Okay, all right guys, any
Okay,
questions?
no, thank you ma'am।
All right, so we'll have daily calls going forward, so we'll again connect tomorrow the same time, but as of now I would need, so it is already 11:45, so maybe by 2 o'clock please send me your first set of work. Okay, all of you who are willing to take it up, please send me at least first few slides by 2 o'clock today. Is that possible?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes,
No.
ma'am.
All
So,
right,
ma'am, we
great
have to
guys.
send it personally.
Yeah, you can send it personally or you can send it on the group also. That's also fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. All right, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anyone who's not going to send or who's not able to do it, we have Binshita. Binshita, will you give it a shot? Binshita? Unmute yourself and speak.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Hello, ma'am. I have joined right now. Just so, can you repeat the whole thing?
No, please go through the call recording. I think Ishmanpreet will share
I
the
will
call
share the
recording.
recording. Yeah.
Yes, please
Oh,
go through it.
okay,
And,
ma'am.
there is an assignment that we have given. So there's a PPT that needs to be graphically designed, corrected, okay, and shared. So I have shared a template that I want, it to look, feel like, and the other one which needs to be, worked on. So both the presentations have been shared on this group. So go through the recording or maybe connect with any of these guys who are there on the call, who were there, and check with them, right? Because it will, otherwise I have another call also scheduled now. So,
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
right. So Deepti, Niyati, Sandeep, Sarthak, Shashank, Soumyadeep. I'll be receiving your guys by 2, and then rest of it you guys can send by end of day today, right?
Okay, sure.
Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Sure.
Bye. You can select a nice relevant template also. Right now it's just a plain white template. So you can, identify a nice template that suits the storyline, and then try and make this into a nice story, pictorial depiction. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you guys. Bye-bye.